Subtract 793.019 from 884.227 using long subtraction. Line up the decimal points in the same column. We work from right to left and finish one column before moving to the next. In the thousandths column, 7 is less than 9, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the hundredths column. 2 becomes 1. The 7 in the thousandths column becomes 17. In the thousandths column, 17 minus 9 is 8. In the hundredths column, 1 minus 1 is 0. In the tenths column, 2 minus 0 is 2. In the ones column, 4 minus 3 is 1. In the tens column, 8 is less than 9, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the hundreds column. 8 becomes 7. The 8 in the tens column becomes 18. In the tens column, 18 minus 9 is 9. In the hundreds column, 7 minus 7 is 0, so no leading 0 is written. Bring the decimal point straight down into the answer. The final result is 91.208.